Good morning, Mr. Deb. Sorry, Dhruv Jyoti.
Yes, Dhruv Jyoti.
Yeah. You are from which state?
I'm from West Bengal.
ও ঠিক আছে কোত্থেকে আসছেন আপনি?
I am from Purbo Bardhaman district. It is
পূর্ব
around
বর্ধমান.
130 kilometers from Kolkata.
Yeah, Bardhaman district. Very good. Excellent. So can you please tell us about yourself?
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. As you can see myself, Dhruv Jyoti. I am basically from Purbo Bardhaman district of West Bengal. I have completed my basic schooling from my hometown itself, Bhatar. After completing my 12th, I moved to Purbo Bardhaman district for my mathematics graduation. I completed my graduation in mathematics honors in 2020. After completing my graduation, I started preparing for banking exam. From 2021, I am preparing. In November 2024, saw the opportunity of Karnataka Bank CSA. Find it very useful, so I prepared for it, and I am sitting in the interview.
But you said you have been appearing for bank exams. Are you
Yes, sir.
appearing for clerk exam only or PO exams also?
Yes, sir. I give both exams. I have given several mains also. I could
Acha,
not clear.
acha,
Yes,
you have appeared up to mains level,
yes, yes.
but you could
Last
not
time
clear.
in it, yes,
Yeah,
last time I failed in SBI class by just 1 mark.
just 1 mark. Oh, very sad. You are belonging to OBC or general category?
I am from general category.
Okay. What is your
I
father?
have cleared. Okay, my father is a primary school teacher.
Mother, what is she doing?
He is homemaker. She is homemaker.
How many siblings Jyoti has?
No, I am the only son
Single
of
child.
parents.
Oh,
Yes,
it's okay. Now, which bank are you having account?
I have bank account in Bank of Baroda and HDFC Bank.
No, but tell only one bank name. Bank of Baroda only you tell.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now, what do you think will be the job role of CSA?
So basically, CSA is a frontline worker of the Karnataka bank. Basically, I have to assist the working customer of the bank, and I have to do basic banking activities as passbook printing, check clearing, and many other things. Besides that, I have to also cross sell the banking products, insurance, uh, this kind of daily day-to-day activities of the bank.
Acha, good, good. Now, can you tell me what is it called? Selling insurance policies through bank. What is it called?
It is called bank assurance.
Very good. Now, what are the other para banking activities done by banks? That is,
There,
apart from canvassing insurance, इसका अलावा क्या
okay.
क्या काम करते हैं?
Yes, there are basically several other works also, like issuing bank guarantees, one of the things, export credit, or trade finance, or things like that, and also uh, giving loans, issuing credit cards,
No,
selling
actually,
mutual funds.
this is not expected in this case. In this case, see, giving loans comes under loans, deposit and advances. I am asking other para banking activities means canvassing of mutual fund products.
Yes, I have told mutual fund.
You told already, Acha.
Yes,
Then
and
one more
credit
is
card.
wealth management advisory services.
Yes, wealth management administration,
Good,
relationship management manager also provided
very
something.
good. There is one more private sector bank in Kolkata having headquarters in Kolkata. What is the name
Yes,
of
it
that?
is. Yes, yes. It is Bandhan Bank. It mainly works in microfinance services, microfinance loans.
Have you ever applied for that?
No, I have not applied for that, but previously I applied for a VRM job in HDFC and virtual relationship manager in last month in December end, but I could
Was
not clear.
Was there any interview?
Yes, yes. I go to their Kolkata for the interview. Basically, Kolkata is our it's like Bengaluru. What I say, it is like all corporate offices is there. So I go there and give the interview, and the job role is for basically for experienced people. So there
Yeah,
are in
it is only
there
for
are
people who
many.
have been working in ICICI
Yes,
Bank or HDFC Bank.
it is
Then
who
from
have
there they will come
proper
here.
sales
Yeah,
exposure who have.
yeah.
Yes.
For आपको तो उतना exposure नहीं होगा. Now,
नहीं नहीं नहीं. I don't know.
yeah, you were but don't tell this point in the interview.
I will not tell. बोलना ही
Or
नहीं है इसके बारे में.
yeah, yeah. Now please tell me about your say virtual relation, that is relationship manager. Okay, you were telling that cross selling is also one of the functions of s-
Yes, yes.
customer service CSA. Now please tell
Hmm.
me what do you mean by cross selling?
Actually, banks mainly earn from interest income. So banks get their deposits from their existing customers and give loans to those who need. So bank's main income is interest income, but it is quite really fluctuate. It is based on the RBI policy to
Yeah.
get a
Acha,
constant
acha,
income
acha, acha.
from.
1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. One call is coming.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Thomas. Hello, Thomas, sir. Solungo. Solungo. I'm fine, sir. Now, unfortunately, I tried that time. I couldn't get it. Now, one more candidate has come late hour. I'm just talking to him. I will get back to you after 15-20 minutes. Please. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. In Detroit. No problem. No problem, sir. Take care. Take care of our health. No problem. Just message me only. That will do, sir. Take care, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, I'm sorry. There was a one more
Okay,
call
okay.
came, so I had to talk. Yeah. Now I was telling you, what
Hmm.
was the question I
Net
was asking?
interest
Ah,
why bank sells mutual funds and
ah,
yeah.
yeah.
Yes. So,
There is,
as I said before, bank's income is very much dependent on RBI policies. So, income is variable. To get a certain income from those mutual funds and life insurance products, basically, after selling the life insurance, it gives a hefty amount of commission to the bank. So, yeah, it helps to improve the net interest margin of the bank. Basically, it is a financial indicator of a bank. A good bank always have a higher net interest margin to for higher interest margin, net interest margin, bank basically sells the bank
okay.
mutual fund
Acha,
like product.
you studied BSc honors mathematics.
In yes, based on us in mathematics.
Can you tell me what are the assets of a bank?
Assets are basically the loans the bank has given.
Then
Then the
cash,
properties also,
cash,
cash, then the
properties.
properties, commercial
Yeah,
properties that banks hold.
yeah. Vehicles, then machineries, etc. Good. What
Yes,
are
yes.
the liabilities of bank?
Liabilities are basically the depositor money is
Hmm.
the liability.
And also capital is liability for the bank.
Yes,
Okay. Apart from this, any other long-term liability bank has borrowed.
yes.
Can you tell me the 5 subsidiaries of RBI?
There are one is like DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, and the second is RBI Innovation Hub is one, and sorry sir, I do not remember. No,
The three are Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited,
yes, yes, not Mudran
BRB and
Advisory.
BRB
Uh,
NMPEL, and then
uh,
Reserve Bank Information Technology, REBIT,
yes, yes,
then Indian Financial Technology, एंड अलाइड सर्विसेज। समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
डीआईसीजीसी ने उनका काम क्या है? व्हाट इज देयर वर्क?
DICGC's work is to ensure the deposits in the Indian bank.
अप टू
So if up to 5 lakh rupees, earlier it was 1 lakh, now it is increased to 5 lakh rupees.
that is, you should also say that in the case of liquidation of a bank, they
Uh,
will give 5 lakhs.
5 lakh rupees. Only one account is secured.
Yeah.
Suppose you have two fixed
Now,
deposits of 2 lakh rupees. Okay.
tell me,
Yes.
two fixed
Suppose you have
deposits,
two
two
fixed
fixed
of
deposits
2
of
lakh
mm,
2 lakh rupees each.
mm.
So RBI, if anything unevent happens, then only 2 lakh will be given
ऐसा
to
नहीं,
only one
ऐसा
account is kept.
ऐसा नहीं है जी, ऐसा नहीं है। किसने बोला आपको? इट इज रॉन्ग। whatever may be the deposits you have from the bank, आपको बैंक में 10 लाख होने से भी बैंक दिवाल हो गया तो 5 lakhs तक मिल जाएगा। वो तो ये जरूरत नहीं है खाली एक ही अकाउंट में होना है। ये अंडरस्टैंड कर लो, दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट।
अच्छा,
दैट इज,
वो
लेट
मैंने
मी
एक जगह
रिपीट,
कोर्स किया था.
लेट मी रिपीट।
ओके.
आपको जितना भी डिपॉजिट रखिए कोई बैंक में, कोई खर्चा नहीं है। आप इस
ओके
ब्रांच
सर.
में रख सकते हैं, दूसरा ब्रांच में रख सके, तीसरा ब्रांच में भी रख सकते हैं। ये
हाँ.
सब मिला के जितना रुपया दिव्य, व्हाट इज योर नेम, ध्रुव ज्योति का
ध्रुव
नाम
ज्योति.
पर आता है। ध्रुव ज्योति का नाम पर मेरा पास 23 लाख रुपया हो गया। ए ब्रांच में इतना है, बी ब्रांच में इतना है, सी ब्रांच में इतना है, डी ब्रांच में इतना भी होने से भी आरडीआईसीजी से ने आपको खाली 5 लाख रुपया देगा, ये बात नहीं है। खाली एक डिपॉजिट को कवर करेगा ऐसा नहीं है।
अच्छा.
आपको
सॉरी सर, आई
किसने
हैव टू
बोला?
इम्प्रूव.
किसने बोला? कुछ टीचर ने बताया था?
Yes, yes. He's a banker from SBI. I think he's AGM in
नो नो,
SBI.
गलत है। 100% गलत।
Okay.
100% गलत है। आप कोई दूसरा जगह पर भी वेरीफाई कर लीजिए, और डीआईसीजीसी का अंदर में भी सर्च करके देखिए, कोई चिंता नहीं। नो डाउट,
Okay.
आई एम वेरी श्योर।
Okay. Okay, sir.
अच्छा जी। या नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स?
My strength is talking to the other people. I believe I have the strong communication skill, and I can convince people, and I can understand the speaker, understand others' problems very quickly.
एम्पति। एम्पति,
Yes,
एम्पति का मतलब पुटिंग योरसेल्फ इनटू द शूज ऑफ द अदर पर्सन।
yes, sir.
गुड, एक्सलेंट। आपने क्या बोला? आपका पिताजी क्या टीचर है?
Yes, yes. He is a school teacher, primary school teacher,
क्या टीच करते हैं?
mathematics.
ओ, इसलिए तो आप भी मैथमेटिक्स लिया।
In
गुड।
fact, all of my family members are from mathematics background, be
अच्छा
it on father side or mother side.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज ट्रिगोनोमेट्री?
Trigonometry is for like there are circles in there. There are, but I
आपने
cannot.
प्रिपेयर आपने प्रिपेयर करना है
No, I
बेसिक।
have prepared, but I cannot speak in English itself.
ट्रिगोनोमेट्री
But
इज स्टडी ऑफ एंगल्स।
yes, angles,
लेट मी चेक अप।
circles, squares, yes.
Trigonometry. Trigonometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with the specific functions of angles and their applications to calculations.
Yes, sir. Like
There are
area.
there are
Yes,
6 functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry. Their names and abbreviations are sine theta, cosine, cos theta, tan theta,
yes.
cotangent theta,
Cosec
secant,
theta.
secant
Yes.
and then cosecant। ये तो हम सुना नहीं। ये सेकंड एंड कोसेकंट तो मेरा दिन में तो नहीं था। ये क्या है सेकंड?
Uh, sec theta, we call it sec theta, tan theta,
Oh.
sec theta.
Mm.
Basically, there are some formulas. There's like sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. There are some formulas.
Mhm.
And the theta equal to the measurement of the cone angle, measurement of the angle.
Mm. Very good. Excellent. Then what is calculus?
Calculus in actually we have I don't have the proper definition of the calculus. In fact, in honors subject I have.
Calculus is the mathematical study of continuous change in the same way that geometry is the study of shape and algebra is the study of generalizations and arithmetic operations. आपने क्या करना है विकिपीडिया में जाके सर्च करके रखना है
अच्छा,
आप सर्च कर दीजिए व्हाट इज कैलकुलस व्हाट इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्री व्हाट इज अलजीब्रा हाँ ये सब तैयार कीजिए उसका बाद में ऑल फॉर्मूलाज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस टाइम एंड वर्क नंबर सिस्टम ये सब प्रिपेयर करना है
yes,
ठीक
I
है
know the applications very well because in banking exams applications are asked, but I do not have the definition in English. This is the problem. I have to complete.
What is
the
19
definition.
square?
361.
Good, very good. 18 square?
324.
First class. What is A plus B plus C whole square?
A square plus B square plus C square plus 3ABC.
Wrong. 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA.
Plus 2CA. Yes, sorry.
What is A plus B whole cube?
A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B.
Something like that.
Yes.
तो आपने तो सही होना
3A
चाहिए.
square we also call it 3A square B plus 3AB square. A cube
Very
plus
good.
B cube.
Excellent. There is a well. A well का depth 20 meters.
Yes.
There is a frog inside the well at the bottom.
Yes.
Every day it will climb up 4 meters top.
Okay.
And after reaching the daytime, nighttime, it will get dropped by 3 feet.
Okay.
3 meter.
Sorry, 3 meter.
पहले ऊपर जा रहे हैं 4 meter.
Yes.
The immediately downfall उसी रात पर 3 meter.
Yes. 27 days.
ऐसमपि जाने से ये frog at what time it will reach the top of the well, which is 20 meter high.
Achha, 20 meter height. Okay, so it is 17 days. Every day 1 and the 16th day it will go by 4 meters and it will reach the 20 meter, but in the 17th day it will not down by 3 meters. Once it reaches the 20 meters, then it will not down. So it is
Correct.
answer is 17.
Excellent. 17 meter is the answer.
17 days.
17 days, sorry. Correct. आपने सही बता दिया. Good. Very happy. You can be taken. No problem. But now let me ask some more questions. Priority sector क्या sector है जानते हैं?
The government has fixed the priority central lending to 40%. In fact, this quarter, Karnataka Bank itself reached 53% in the priority sector lending. So there are basically 8 core sectors where bank must have to disburse their loans out of the total loan book. First is agricultural, second is MSME, third is export credit, and fourth is need for the poor people finance. And there are also and one is education. Fifth is the affordable housing sector. there are certain limits also in rural, like it is up to 25 lakhs, in semi-urban or urban it is 35 lakhs. There are certain limits, and I could not remember the rest too.
Infrastructure and
Yes,
renewable energy.
renewable energy. Yes, yes.
अपने एमएसएमई बता दिया, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप भी बताना है.
अच्छा, ठीक.
सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप एंड अदर स्मॉल लोन्स. गुड, आपने सही बता दिया. प्लीज एक्सपैंड एनईएफटी.
Sorry, sir.
एनईएफटी.
Okay, it is a one kind of service which to transfer money from one bank account to another bank account.
I
It
am
is
asking
usually
expansion. I am asking
okay.
expansion.
National fund transfer, electronic fund transfer. It is. It
पूरा
is
बता
held
दो.
in 24
पूरा
batches.
पूरा सही बताओ. करेक्टली सही
National
बताओ.
electronic National electronic fund transfer.
आरटीजीएस.
Real time gross settlement.
नाबार्ड.
It is National Bank for Rural Development.
रॉन्ग.
National Bank for Rural and
Agriculture and
Agriculture,
National
Rural
Bank for
Development,
Agriculture and Rural Development.
Rural Development.
Expand IRDAI.
It is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Good. What is the present CRR?
Recent CRR is 4.4%. Earlier it was 4.5. Now it is 4% from December itself. 2nd December.
Correct. Promissory note, bill of exchange, checks. These three are called what? By one name. What are they called?
Negotiable Instrument Act 1881.
Negotiable instrument बोलने से हो जाएगा. Good. बढ़िया. Can you tell me what are the risks in banking?
So, there are several risks in banking. First risk is credit risk, where we lend money to someone and he default the money. So it is the first and the most important risk in banking, I believe. Second is operational risk, because nowadays banking there are so much exposure of digitalization in banking.
जब ओपन ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछने से आपने एक एक रिस्क को एक्सप्लेन करना जरूरत नहीं है, अनलेस दे आस्क. आपने खाली उसका 4 और 5 रिस्क का नाम बता के स्टॉप कर दीजिए. वो लोग चाहिए तो बोलेगा इस रिस्क का बारे में बात कर लो.
अच्छा.
जैसे अभी हमको पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स क्या है ऐसा पूछने से आपने स्टार्ट करेगा स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, इट इज देयर इन मुंबई, इट्स चेयरमैन इज सो. इतना बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. आपने खाली बोलना है स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, यूनियन बैंक, देन बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा, कैनरा बैंक, इंडियन बैंक. ऐसा नाम बोल के जाइएगा. इस बीच का बारे में वो पूछेगा, अरे भाई यूको बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर्स किधर रखता है, आप क्या बोलेंगे?
कोलकाता.
करेक्ट. अब ऐसा मत. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट आर द
What are the
risks in banking?
Okay, I have told the two, and
No, you tell me for another. Totally, I want 5 risks. Name.
Okay, so third is the reputational risk one, and fourth is employee risk, risk from employee side, and fifth, sorry sir, I can't tell now, only 4 risks.
आपने भूल गया, सडनली टेंशन हो गया.
नहीं, मैंने पढ़ा था पास.
बोलिए.
Financial risk, market risk, credit risk, yes, interest rate risk, liquidity risk, operational risk, capital risk, foreign exchange risk, yes, it is also a system risk and reputational. Operational risk and system risk are same or not? What's that?
सिस्टमिक रिस्क. सिस्टमिक रिस्क पता नहीं, आई कांट एक्सप्लेन नाउ, बट फिर भी सर्च करके देखने से हो जाएगा. इंडिया
No, no,
बैंक्स.
sir. My question is operational risks and systemic risks are
दोनों
same, I
एक
think.
एक नहीं है, अलग अलग है.
अच्छा.
ऑपरेशनल रिस्क, the Reserve Bank of India today has placed the website guidance note on operational risk management, operational resilience. Hmm, that is operational risk management and operational resilience. Operational risk का मतलब है थोड़ा ये स्टडी करना है. नाउ you wanted to know whether both are same. What we can search like this: operational risk and another one systemic risk. Systemic risk is something related to the system and not related to any operational risk is more systemic than you think. अच्छा अच्छा, दोनों एक ही बोलता है. We find that operational risk, yeah, operational risk overview. Operational risk summarizes the risk and uncertainties of a company faces in conducting daily business activities. This type of risk, this type of risk can be classified as a variety of um, unsystematic risks. Unsys- ये तो सिस्टमैटिक नहीं है, ये तो सिस्टमिक. नाउ आपने
हाँ.
चाहते थे व्हाट इज सिस्टमिक रिस्क. सिस्टमिक रिस्क का मतलब, systemic risk is the risk of a single failure triggering a major collapse, while systematic risk is the risk inherent to the entire market. समझ गया?
Yes, yes, yes. It is called entire, all,
या
including all.
या उसको थोड़ा बाद में स्टडी कर लो, आपको पता हो
हाँ हाँ.
जाएगा. गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. आई वाज आस्किंग फ्रॉम this one minute. I was
Several
going
risks in banking sector.
yeah. Now, last question for you. Tell me, what is financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion is to open bank accounts in the non-bank, unbanked rural areas. It is an initiative by, there is an initiative called Pradhan Mantri Jan Jan Yojana account to open zero balance account in the unbanked rural areas.
What are the other schemes that are started by the government for achieving financial inclusion? Financial inclusion definition अब थोड़ा change करके बताना है. Financial inclusion means providing banking and insurance services to the poorest of the poor at the cheaper rates. ये लोकेशन
Yes,
का बात नहीं है. सिटी में भी आपको फिनेंशियल इंक्लूजन चलता है. लोग का पास पैसा नहीं है, इसलिए वो लोग बैंक का अंदर में आने के लिए डरते थे. उसको अवॉइड करने के
yes,
लिए ऐसा हो गया. अभी तो थ्रू दिस PMJDY more than 48 crore accounts have been opened and more than 174 crores or so rupees has been collected. Other schemes are, note down, Atal Pension Yojana, प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना, then सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना, वायु वंदना योजना. Like all these are known as say attempts made to bring banking and insurance to the poor people.
yes,
समझ गया?
yes.
Best wishes, you did well. I wish you best of luck. थोड़ा और भी पढ़ लीजिए. थोड़ा करंट अफेयर हमने पूछा नहीं, पूछेंगे.
हाँ हाँ, पूछ सकते हैं.
Who is the Prime Minister of Britain?
Prime Minister of Britain. Earlier it was Rishi Sunak. Now, sorry, sir.
Hmm?
Earlier it was Rishi Sunak.
Rishi Sunak, yeah.
Now it was earlier, but it has changed now.
At present, it is Keir Starmer. Keir Starmer.
Achha.
I'll show you. Keir Starmer. This man.
Okay.
Who is the Prime Minister of Canada?
Justin Trudeau.
What is the news about him?
I don't know the exact news, but there are some tussles between Indian government and Canadian government over the Khalistani issue.
True. But the news is you have not read it. He is resigning.
Okay, okay.
That is the news. Good. Very good. You are in West Bengal.
Yes, sir.
Who was the Prime Minister of Bangladesh who was ousted from office?
Sheikh Hasina. PM Sheikh
Who
Hasina.
is presently Prime Minister in charge?
Mohammad Sheikh Yunus.